If you are new to my channel, then click on the red color subscribe button and subscribe my channel and get updates about my upcoming videos, and like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everybody. Today I will discuss about a Indian genius mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan, and the topic was the man who knew infinity. Srinivas Ramanujan was the second Indian to become fellow of the Royal Society and the first Indian to become fellow of the Trinity College at Cambridge University, UK. Srinivas Ramanujan was born on December 22, 1887. His father, Srinivas, was a clerk at a sari shop. His mother, Komalatha Mala, was a housewife and a singer at a local temple. Ramanujan mostly grew up in the village of Kumbakonam in South India. He was a stubborn but sensitive little boy. When Ramanuja was a toddler, he refused to eat except at the temple. If he did not get the food he wanted, he would roll in the mud in frustration. Young Ramanujan was quiet and reflective. He asked questions like, how far is it from here to the clouds? Or who was the first man in the world? He liked to be alone and often stayed at home while other children played outside. Ramanuja was not interested in sports or being active, and for most of his life, Ramanuja was fat. He inherited the body type of his mother. He refused to say that if he got into a fight with another kid, all he had to do is to fall on him, and the other boy would be crushed into pieces. Ramanuja studied at Kangayan Primary School. There he learned to speak English at an early age. When he was 10 years old, he passed the national primary examinations. Ramanujan scored number 1 in the district. After that, he enrolled in town high school, where Ramanujan studied for 6 years. It was his most satisfying academic experience. He aced all his subjects, especially mathematics. One day, the math teacher lectured that if you divide any number by itself, the answer would always be 1. If there are 1000 fruits and they are divided into 1000 people, each of them will get 1 fruit each. Ramanujan suddenly spoke. But if you divide 0 by 0, is the answer still 1? If you divide no fruits among no one, will it still get 1? This is just one example of the mathematical mind of Ramanujan. Ramanujan's family was always short of finances, which was why they accepted boarders in their home. When he was 11, two Brahmin boys lived with his family as boarders. They were students at the nearby government college. The college students noticed that Ramanuja was interested in mathematics, so they taught him what they knew. But within a few short months, Ramanuja had exhausted all their knowledge. He always asked them for more math books from the college library. One time, the college boys gave him a book in advanced trigonometry. By 13 years old, Ramanuja had already mastered it. He also learned cubic equations and the complex concepts of infinite series. He was fascinated by the numerical values of pi and e. Ramanuja became a minor celebrity at school. His teachers and fellow students rarely understood him, but most of them treated him with respect. Ramanuja received many certificates and recognitions for his academic excellence. At Ramanuja's graduation ceremony, the school headmaster awarded him the highest prize of mathematics. He introduced Ramanujan to the audience and explained that the boy deserved much more than 100% or A plus grade, and that his math skill were off the scale. This was all about Ramanujan's childhood and his development in mathematics.